What's up guys? For today's video, pakita namin sa inyo yung room. Dito lang yung ano, diretso nyo lang yan, yan yung Kyoto Station. Malapit lang, mga 7 minutes walk ko lang. Or less than 10 minutes walk. Tapos itong malaking building na yan, ayan yung hotel namin. Ang tawag sa kanya is Hotel Excellence Kyoto. Sobrang mura lang niya. Tapos pwede nyo itong mabook sa Agoda, sa Booking, pwede rin sa Klook. Tapos pwede nyo rin gamitin yung code ko kung trip nyo lang. Tapos ayan, ito yung entrance niya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Ito yung Hotel Excellence. Tapos merong mga ano, amenities. Ano to? Razor, hairbrush, tsaka photo set. Ito. May ATM din dito. May ATM siya, tapos may vending machine dito pa sa tubig. Tapos meron din dito parang dining. Dito pwede kang mag-withdraw. Nasa third floor yung ano namin, hotel namin, ay yung kwarto namin, kaya yan, kuha lang kami ng tubig, tapos akit namin dun sa kwarto. Tapos ito yung kwarto namin. Bawal yata eh. Han, ikaw na nga magtuloy na to, Han.
Hi guys, room tour. This is our room in Excellence Hotel.
Hotel Excellence.
Hotel Excellence. Okay.
Yan, pag una-una, pagpasensya nyo na magulo.
Yes guys, this is the reality. There's no filter, there's no filming, charot. So, after nyo mabuksan yung main door, ito ang kanilang bathroom. So, yung door nila ay palabas. So, yan, medyo makano tayo. So, this is the bathroom. Meron kayong Japanese toilet, may hot water, may cold water, may sarili silang conditioner, shampoo and body wash, tapos may face and hand soap pa. Tapos meron silang ano ba ito, pantulog and towels and monitors kung gusto mo lang ng bidet. So guys, ito talagang pinaka-normal na ano room. Small but I think it's very functional. We have our own bed, bathroom, aircon, gaya ng hanger, and then you have your own long table ba to? Tapos meron kaming ref, and you have your own mirror guys. Ito lang ng gamit ko. Yan, balit lang siya. You have your LED light in case of emergency. You have your power outlet. You have your own TV, another power outlet near your bed.
Ayun pa.
And meron silang sanitizer whatsoever. And that's it.
Ito na siya.
Meron kang sarili kang, what do they call this, han? Upuan, chair, upstairs. Sa ilalim, you have your space for your luggages. And that's it. I think this is very budgetarian for couple like us. Kung magsistay mo kayo sa labas, then I think this is very
okay guys, thank you for watching.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye!